Good morning, sweetheart. It's time to wake up.
Just 5 more minutes, Mommy.
Come on, sleepyhead. You don't want to be late for school, do you?
But I'm so tired.
I know, honey, but the sun is up, and it's a beautiful day outside. Come on, open your eyes.
Is it really morning already?
Yes, it is. And guess what? I made your favorite pancakes for breakfast.
Pancakes with chocolate syrup?
Of course, but only if you get up and start getting ready.
All right, I'm up.
That's my girl. Now go wash your face and brush your teeth. I'll be waiting for you downstairs.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, sweetie, let's get you dressed for your big day.
Yay! I can't wait to wear my new dress.
I'm so happy you're excited. Let's see. How about your favorite pink dress with the flowers on it?
Yes, that one. It's so pretty. I love the flowers.
Great choice. Now, let's put on your tights. You'll look just like a princess.
I feel like a princess already. Do you think my friends will like my dress?
Of course, honey. Everyone will think you look beautiful. And I bet you'll make a great impression on your new classmates.
I hope so. I want to make lots of friends today.
You will, sweetie. Just remember to be kind and friendly, and you'll get along with everyone.
I'll be kind to everyone. I promise. Oh, Mom, can you tie my shoes for me? I want them to be perfect.
Absolutely. I'll make sure your shoes are nice and tight. There you go. All set.
Thanks, Mom. Now, what about my backpack? I can't forget it.
Don't worry. I already put it by the door. You've got your lunchbox, your books, and your pencil case, right?
Yup, everything's ready. I just need to put on my jacket, and I'll be ready to go.
All right. Here's your jacket. You look fantastic, sweetheart. Now, take a look at yourself in the mirror.
Wow, I look so grown up. I'm ready for school.
You sure are. You're going to have an amazing day. Now, let's go downstairs and have one last breakfast before you leave.
Okay, Mom. I'm so excited.
I know, sweetie. Just remember to have fun and enjoy every moment.
Good morning, sweetie. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Daddy. Yes, I slept okay, but I couldn't stop thinking about today. I'm so excited for my first day of school.
Oh, I can see that. You're all bright and shiny already. Are you ready for your big day?
I think so. I have my lunchbox packed, my new shoes on, and my hair is perfect. But I'm a little nervous too. What if I don't know anyone?
Hey, it's completely normal to feel a little nervous. Everyone feels that way on their first day, but you'll make friends in no time.
That's right, sweetie. Remember, the first day is all about getting to know your classmates and your teacher. Don't be afraid to say hello to someone new.
I know, but what if I don't know what to say?
Well, you could start with something simple like, hi, my name is Lily. What's yours? So that's a great way to begin a conversation.
And don't forget to smile, sweetie. It always helps to make you feel more confident and makes others feel comfortable around you.
I'll try. I really want to find my classroom as soon as I get there. I've heard so much about it, and I can't wait to see what it looks like.
I'm sure it's going to be awesome. Do you know where it is yet?
I think so. Miss Anna gave me a map at the orientation, so I'll be able to find it without getting lost.
Great! And remember, if you ever feel confused or need help, your teacher is always there to guide you. Teachers are there to help you learn and have fun.
Oh, And I'm excited to meet my new teacher, Miss Anna. I hope she's nice.
I bet she's going to be great. And if you're ever unsure about something, you can always ask her for help.
I'm going to tell her all about my summer vacation. We went to the beach, and I made a big sand castle.
That's a perfect conversation starter. Maybe you can even draw your sandcastle in class to show everyone.
And don't forget, school is not just about work, it's also about having fun, learning new things, and making memories.
Yeah, I'm going to make lots of new friends, and we can play together at recess.
That's the spirit, sweetie. Remember, school is a place where you grow, learn, and have fun.
And we'll be here waiting to hear all about it when you get home. We'll want to know everything.
I can't wait to tell you all the stories.
You're going to have the best day ever. Just remember to be yourself and enjoy it.
Have a fantastic first day, Lily. We love you.
Love you too.
Well, here we are, sweetie. Are you ready?
Wow, this is it. Look at the school, Mom. It's even bigger than I thought.
It sure is. But don't worry. You'll get used to it in no time. Now listen to me for a second.
What's up, Mom?
When you go inside, be sure to find your classroom first. And remember, if you feel lost or confused, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are always teachers around who are happy to assist you.
I'll remember, Mom. I won't be afraid to ask for help if I need it.
That's my girl. And when you meet your teacher, be polite and say hello. First impressions are important.
I'll say hello and introduce myself like we practiced. Don't worry.
And always remember, it's okay to feel nervous. It's normal on the first day. But as soon as you start meeting people and getting into your lessons, you'll feel much more comfortable.
I'll be okay. I just need to take a deep breath.
Exactly. And if you ever feel scared or unsure, just remember that we're always here for you. You can talk to us about anything, anytime.
Thanks, Mom. I feel a little better now.
I'm so proud of you, sweetie. You're going to do great today. Have fun, meet new friends, and enjoy learning.
I'm going to make the best day ever. I promise.
I know you will.
I can't wait to tell you everything.
Have a wonderful day, sweetheart. We love you so much.
Love you too, Mom. See you later.